What happens when you take the soul of a rally car and wrap it in a package you can actually live with? You get this. The 2026 Ford Focus RS. It's back, it's angry, and it's here to remind everyone what a true hot hatch is all about. Let's start with the part that matters most. What's under the hood? The heart of this beast is a turbocharged engine, and for 2026, it's all about more. We're talking about a new 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder power plant that delivers a staggering 400 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. Think about that for a second. That's supercar territory from just a few years ago, packed into a practical hatchback. It translates to a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in a blistering 3.8 seconds. The sound from that 5-cylinder is legendary and distinct. Throaty warble that's a world apart from the 4-cylinder hum of many rivals. And with an available active exhaust system, you can dial that soundtrack up for a thrilling drive, or tone it down for a quiet cruise. But raw power is nothing without control. This is where the RS truly separates itself from the pack. It comes with a sophisticated torque-vectoring all-wheel drive system. In normal driving, it feels planted and incredibly secure, funneling all that power to the road. But the magic lies in its drive modes. Switch into the aptly named drift mode, and the system cleverly sends most of the power to the rear wheels, allowing you to slide the tail out in a controlled and exhilarating way that makes you feel like a rally hero. It's a level of playful, accessible fun that its more serious German competitors often engineer out. For pure speed, track mode tightens everything up for maximum cornering grip. And yes, for the purists, it's expected to be paired with a proper 6-speed manual transmission, giving you a direct, engaging connection to the machine now. Let's talk about the suit this performance comes in. The 2026 RS doesn't just look fast. Every curve and vent has a job to do. The front features a massive, aggressive grille that feeds air to the hungry engine and brakes. The sides are marked by flared wheel arches that house large alloy wheels and performance tires. And around back, you can't miss that prominent rear spoiler and muscular bumper, which aren't just for show. They work with the rear diffuser to create downforce and stability at high speeds. It's available in bold colors like the iconic Ford Performance Blue or a striking electric green, ensuring you'll stand out in any parking lot, slide inside, and the cabin is a driver-focused cockpit. You're greeted by supportive sport seats, ideally the optional Recaro buckets, that hold you firmly in place during spirited driving. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, letting you monitor everything from boost pressure to lap times. In the center is a large, responsive touchscreen running Ford's latest infotainment system with seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. While some critics might call the interior reasonably unexciting for the price, it's finished with quality materials like leather and brushed metal accents, blending sportiness with everyday refinement. And everyday is a key word here. Despite its race-bred intentions, the Focus RS is shockingly practical. It's still a 5-door hatchback. The rear seats are perfectly usable, and while the boot space is slightly reduced to 260 liters to make room for the all-wheel drive hardware, that's less than a Fiesta. Folding the seats down opens up over 1,000 liters of space. You also get a full suite of modern driver assistance tech-adaptive cruise control. It's automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, assist making. It's safe and relaxed on a daily commute. So, who is this car for? It's for the enthusiast who craves that raw mechanical thrill but can't justify a 2-seat weekend toy. It's the ultimate all-weather, all-roads, all-situations performance machine. With an estimated starting price around $45,000, it undercuts premium rivals like the Audi RS3 and Mercedes-AMG A45 by a significant margin. While offering more power and a far more playful character, it's a triumphant return for an icon, proving that you don't have to sacrifice fun at the altar of practicality, or vice versa.